What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Yeah, I got way too many projects. Y'all know about the 50 that I'm working on. I got the motor pulled out of it and ready for that, but that's not what today's video is about. This is what today's video is about. It is the same bike as my 09 250R. This is an 04 model. Pick this bike up. It has no compression, so I was talking with my grandpa. He told me to put this in it, dump it in the cylinder, and then we'll figure out if it'll run or not, because he said usually that'll free up the rings and then we're good to go. So we're gonna try that, put some in it, kick it over a couple of times, put some more, and then let it sit for a while, and then we'll come back and see if we can get it started.
Static hum invades my veins marrow. Lights flicker, shadows stretch narrow. Hands move distorted in the blurred pain. Echoes of silence driving me insane. Buzz of machines screaming the truth. Colors bleed out in slow motion loops.
Anyway, yeah, it's a 2004 Honda Sierra 250R. The exact same bike as my red one, but mine's a 2009. So basically the same. Everything is the same on them as far as I know, besides like little things like plastics. But as far as the motors go, I think it's all the same. I originally bought this bike with the intentions of taking the case and putting it on that one. Now, if it just needs rings or a top end, then I'm just gonna keep it. I'm just gonna fix it. I'll ride it, and then I'll fix up my other one at a later time once I get some more money. But I'm gonna band-aid that one with some JB weld for now. Hopefully it'll hold. I need to get some degreaser for it, wire brush the crap out of it, clean it up really good, mix up my JB weld, slap it on there, add some oil, and should be good to go on it for a little bit at least. If I go ride, I'll take both bikes just in case, but I would like to get both running pretty good and compare them side by side from the first year that Honda made the 4-stroke 250R compared to the last year that they made it in the carbureted version. So yeah, we'll let this sit for a little bit, and then I guess like an hour or so. I don't really know. My grandpa didn't specify how long. I'll leave it there. I'll put it back together, and then I'll pick you guys up when we try to kick it over, I guess. See what happens. Alright, it's the next day. I tried kicking it over. I thought I hit record. I didn't. I kicked it probably 20 times. It didn't start. So I guess I'm just going to tear it down. Use the parts off my red bike. And we'll go from there. And hopefully I get it running. We can ride again. Well, as you guys seen, I got the bike running, and I mean, it sounds pretty good. It's got a weird little clanking noise. It's not coming from the motor. I can't pinpoint where it's coming from. Motor sounds healthy. Still not really sure where the clanking's coming from just yet. I'll figure it out. But we got a bike that's good to go. I mean, I put $0 into it, so other than what I paid for it. And turned out the issue was it needed the valves adjusted. So that's all I had to do. I already had the shim kit. The valves were way too tight, so it caused it to have no compression at all. And now you could pretty much break your leg trying to kick it over. But I will try to get this thing out tomorrow because it's 9:30 at night right now. But we'll try to get it out tomorrow. Maybe take it around the neighborhood, see how it does. And yeah, I guess I'll pick you guys up tomorrow on the GoPro. Ripping this thing because, I mean, I got a steel on it. Can't complain, you know? So, anyway, I guess we'll catch y'all tomorrow. So it's smoking. I think it's just because where I leaked some oil down on the pipe. At least I'm hoping. But this will be our first little ride on the 250. See how she does. The chain's loose, so I'm not trying to go too hard, because that's how I freaking busted my case on my last one. Mainly just want to make sure that it goes through all the gears. It rides pretty good. Seems like we're doing pretty good though. I forgot to check the water in it, so I'm not gonna go too crazy with it. maybe the next video. We'll see. Mainly just wanted to hop on here, give you guys a little update on it. That yeah, we got it running. We paid $1,200 for this thing because it had no compression. Was told that it needed a top end, and it just needed valves redone. Everything seems to be going pretty good. I don't think I'm leaking oil anywhere. It's even got a kickstand, which I kind of like. Smokes a little bit. It probably does need a top end rebuild, but it's not gonna be the end of the world. Idle does seem kind of high to me. Looks like we're leaking a little bit of oil here. I didn't get that sealed up good. It's on me, easy fix. That's why we test it before we go. It ain't got power like, ain't got no power like my other one does. Yeah, this thing ain't got near the power my other one does. Yeah guys, we got it running. Like I said, I'll get the minor things fixed, like that oil leak, and yeah, we'll get it going, and then the next video we'll take it out to the track or something maybe, and we will see how it does there. So if you guys did like today's video and want to see some more stuff like it, maybe some more in-depth things, yeah, just let me know and we'll get it. So anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, and we'll see y'all on the next one.